Sea otters are crucial to the health of the kelp forest because they keep down the number of sea urchins. The urchins graze on kelp, munching through their tough stems. Left unchecked, they spread across the sea floor like a plague.